Hello, my name is Catherine Lewis. I'm the Acting Chief Executive Officer and Acting Principal at NPTC Group of Colleges. I would like to welcome you to all our Results Day celebrations, which we're delighted to say will be face-to-face in college for the first time since 2019. Today is always a highlight of the college year, and I'm so honoured to be able to tell you about the fantastic successes and results despite another challenging time for us all. Let me start by saying a most heartfelt congratulations to both staff and students, not just for myself, but the college's Corporation Board and the senior management team. The students celebrating today have shown such incredible resilience and determination. After a challenging couple of years, both staff and students have adapted brilliantly to the return to face-to-face learning and the return of exams as we move out of the pandemic, and its sheer hard work and commitment that we are celebrating today. The college's overall A-star to A results were an exceptional 32.2%, with students achieving a remarkable overall pass rate of 98.4%. Over 60% achieved A-star to B grades and 83% achieved A-star to C grades. For the students who followed the Gifted and Talented programme, our GATE programme, it is also good news, with 84% achieving A-star to A grades and 100% achieving A-star to B grades. 63 students achieved triple distinction grades in the extended national diploma qualifications, with 25 students achieving the highest possible grade profile of triple distinction star, equivalent to 3 A stars at A level. In addition to this, a staggering 292 learners successfully achieved the Advanced Skills Challenge Certificate with an outstanding pass rate of 99.6%. 68% of those achieved an A star to C grade. These figures are truly fantastic. I'm proud to be part of such an incredible family at the college, where year on year the staff and students never cease to amaze us and the Corporation Board. I know that all students celebrating today have bright futures and careers ahead of them, and I can say from everyone at NPTC Group of Colleges that we are all extremely happy to have been part of their journey. Llongyfarchiadau a pob lwc.